Asante Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amwakohene Ababi Pimu Ewo Achumanwe Beja North Barakesi Aye Agenda 11 Hospital at the 8 years Akufado Antimi Uncomplete no Oba Beshe said the Yanka say him say President Mahama say project employing this government na ye NPP government na ye and the ombe complete no eno na Dr. Frank Amwakohene Ababi Pimu Ewo Aye Agenda 11 Hospital Ewo Barakesi Achumanwe Beja North na me no say about 7 o'clock still now Dr. Frank Amakon at work downs 43 district ewo Kumasi no otoni nyina na the 4th day our BPM ewo eye atwoma wa beja no now here light na hospital we kwade o mawia ne sa we kwade o mawia ne sa tuma yakoso girigiri we need to accommodation, so what I say, very nice. Danina Akabush, regional minister, Abi Pimuha, or Shady Wa Missy, at my complete agenda 11 a Achuman Bija enough.
Someone who tra and this is for the name about agenda 111 one who be what be no krana kasa wen no krano ewa ha ha no kra fie enti na Ghana Nsem TV no kra ene nsem sisim kwa na de bel ewa ha sei ebusua video ya wo hwe yi NDC for na momye propaganda etwa ntroche Ghana for no krana kasa wen yen hwe no kra no ne je kire nsem na won tin nsem ase. All right ebusua, fact over lies, fact over propaganda no kra no enie agenda 111 eno kra no eye dan ade na ne purpose de ne start na me ben send e be ya kwa we ni ntro be try say 8 years no e betimi agba agu no ntina busua obi anfa ne phone ne yen kogogo ne yen bo say which year was agenda 111 launched, which year was agenda 111 launched afi do boy e be ba say e be kira wo say agenda 111 was launched with a groundbreaking ceremony on August 17, 2021 in the Asante region of Ghana by then President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The project aim is to construct 111 hospitals across the country to improve healthcare access and infrastructure. Key details: launch date 17th August 2021. Location: the sword cutting took place at Trede in the Chuma Kwanhuma district of the Ashanti region. Purpose: the initiative involves construction of district specialized and regional hospitals to improve better healthcare service to the Ghanaian population. So this is the main reason here agenda 111 Akufo-Addo launch here, and it was 101 district hospitals and 10 regional hospitals. Now omobe can I say if you kwanta e western region sa hospital no ombe renovate no make for fraud send here atame renovate radio hospital was in the front no you do kwanta so ko do we say do if you kwanta in the western region ko abon say no current hospital no regional hospital western region no omo eden omo see omo starting no 2021 now 101 hospitals no 101 district hospitals and 10 na kan say na mekan no regional hospitals into ko regional hospital ko for ya omo see almost 80% complete no here 250 bed hospital. Now launch hospital no Trede hospital no completed commission no ka say hono ma so be ka ya minister for health kwabena menta kwando ko hono okwa propaganda do hono ma echi no MP for Otafo Vincent Asefo akwa okoyi ne to yes so be ka isa video no me sure say onimpa. Now at the one hospital answer na by ni free so no 5 was completed send me board in there what trade them what you say they all kokobin and so Asante region oba Asante region dey me en sababe 2 na me kai other one me kai na abacho oba state region Abomosu was also completed and commissioned, and our western region our Hunter and also was completed and commissioned. ni nyina na aban we so de nurses kom no mkoyeden mkokoye adwuma bibia wom well furnished what you say eno echi no this government they said they won here omokobia omkoye Osho hospital na won say ya boss we bibia kire say almost 80% aka say be penti a glass na de niam ayeden egum almost 70% of hospital na can say na ya than 111 no nyina was say level no de ewo window level no eba down no be 30% mostly no near completion what you say and which there is 37 hospitals that government ni see from scratch completed and commissioned swami manson kwanta dobronso trade trade oko western regional elubo akontombra takwanso ayem oko eastern regional achiase okere so many oko voter regional keta hospital ni nyina record ni see oko western regional northern regional no more time near the Dawson even mama krom because the record ni dey see so there is a lot of hospital oko Accra Pokatamanso Kwalebu Nephrology and Oncology Center of Excellence ni nyina no part of the hospital record you see Mahama as president in the first term only one hospital to me see we from scratch commission they completed that I don't know dodowa asa there is none so fact over lies fact over propaganda
so when you Kwasia blogging na say wo blog here we ba trend with one so when you Kwasia blogging na say wo blog here your research and sana wa ba bonten wate in the first place wa bon papa wa bon we mu nyina na mo say mo ye bloggers na mo tu mfutro egu nkofo ani when I catch us agenda 111 starting 8 years ago agenda 11 starting in 2021-2022 ti se wunima jai se mo de mutu mfutro egu nkofo ani a na mo NDC for gullible followers na so no omagia to mo no in the first place agenda 111 NDC kraba aban mu na nsen ya kra omu gina omanem commission 5 agenda 111 omu gina omanem commission 5 agenda 111 Mahama bedi president hospital ba ko otimi esi ye complete commission ye Dodowa hospital na na obeka say agenda 111 so mo regional minister no so ko hwe we hu adwuma na do dan kwakufu da ne Dr. Mahmoud Baomi aye Dr. Mahmoud Baomi nam say wonim nyansa na odwene shokanti ye to global crisis covid bae a ne nya baabi emfa enipa nkwaje ayarehwe na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baomi propose agenda 111 agenda 111 ya ebi eye adwuma na mokrampo mo bae na agenda 111 kufuado aye awie no instead say mo be post nurses agumu no okuja tabla kwa foreign minister say omo ba be post nurses e de akọ Jamaica ewa abra Ghana nurses crampo okoye hospital nurses to a patient ratio no eye low eso na say okuja tabla ka wonni ani so ade hunu bia enti what the Ghana nurses e ba be ko Jamaica na Jamaica no kwa mukro na omo Jamaica no kwa mukro omo pay akọ country foforo akọ ye adwuma and then nurses na tifie a omo nya adwuma nye no 2021 batches etifie 2020 reset for etifie nurse for aye adwuma 8 months ye ntwi omoka eno de munhu nyansa solve sa problem no wa begina wo say na agenda 111 8 years wa bon papa wa bon next time oba udi sa information ba bontin a ye research na kenkan na ndisi for mun parking kan NDC for mun parking kan obon na dem udi NDC echi enti ade papa be pa na abeka udi NDC echi ade papa be pa na ebe free wanum aba ade papa be na ebe free wanum aba asi asem kwa